Hi Masters, and welcome to another Soul Flow video. Today we're going to be focused on our sacral chakra, which is focused around our hips. And if you're feeling any experiencing pain there, this practice is going to be amazing for you. Now, the issue is for high achieving women, specifically women like us, sometimes we are rigid in our acts. Sometimes we're so focused on the process, on the to-do list, on getting things done. We're dependable and we're reliable. But oftentimes that can lead to a lot of emotional exhaustion, causing us to feel disconnected from our bodies and disconnected from ourselves. In this practice, we get to reconnect to that area. And this chakra specifically is one that is focused on helping to improve passion and joy, connection to self, setting healthy boundaries, and helping you to be able to have the level of trust needed to allow help and assistance from other people. This practice will help to improve your emotional resilience and wellness, set healthy boundaries, build stronger relationships, and ultimately be able to support having a deeper awareness and intention and intuition. To get started, I want you to sit in a seated position. If you are open to it, palms facing outwards with on your knees. And I want you to gently close your eyes. As we mentioned, this practice is about the sacral chakra, which is connected to creativity, passion, our sexual expression, and joy. I invite you to set an intention that feels good to you, perhaps one where you desire to feel more creativity, more passion, more joy. And I want you to shorten that intention to perhaps one word, and I want you to breathe in for 4 counts and breathe out for 4 counts. Let's do it together. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. On your next inhale, I want you to gently open your eyes, and we're going to get started with our practice. I want you to come up on your knees. I want you to have your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. And I want you to begin to shift your right legs and feet over to the right while shifting your left hip down to the left. Feel that tension. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale your intention. Exhale, release. And on your next inhale, bring your feet back to a neutral spot, to a neutral right behind you. Straighten your back for a neutral back. Strong in your shoulders and in your wrists. And on your next inhale here, I want you to shift your legs to the left and move your hips gently to the right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. On your next inhale, I want you to bring your feet right behind you. Again, shoulders over wrists. And now I want you to tuck your toes, push the ground forward, and send your hips back and up. Begin to pedal your feet right and left if it feels good to you, straightening out those calf muscles. Inhale. And exhale. One more time, inhale. And exhale. On your next inhale, I want you to look forward. Step your feet to the top of your mat where your hands are. Put your hands, exhale, on your hips and start to come forward up. Beautiful. Let's take an inhale here. and exhale. Good job. On your next inhale, I want you to keep your hands on your hips, send your left leg back far, and begin to lunge into your right leg. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. On your next inhale, I want you to drop your left knee. And I want you to extend further into your right leg in your lunge. I want you to soften your left hip. Your spine is straight, hips, your hands can remain on your hips. If you have blocks, this is a good time to place your blocks right here to the side of you. If you do not, keep your hands on your hips for stability. You also want to ensure your core, as you're inhaling and exhaling, ensure your core is pushed in and your sacrum is also pushed in. You don't need to lean forward like this. You want to keep yourself straight as possible. Inhale and exhale. On your next inhale, I want you to lift your left leg up and bring your left leg to the front of the mat with your right leg. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. On your next inhale, I want you to send your right leg back far. And on your exhale, I want you to push inside your left leg or in your left lunge. Remember, your spine is straight, your hips are squared, and your sacrum is pushed in, and your core is actively engaged. Continue your inhales and your exhales. Breathe. And on your next inhale, I want you to bring your right foot up to the front of the mat where your left foot is, and exhale. Great work. And on your next inhale, I want you to drop your left leg down. Drop your right leg down and come down to a seated position. And I want you to place your feet in front, your hands in the back. And I want you to scoot your bottom up a little bit closer than what you normally would to your feet. And I want you to slowly lower yourself back. You can use your hands to support you until you lay all the way to your back. Take an inhale and exhale here. And on your next inhale, I want you to lift your right leg towards your chest. You can take your arms and wrap around your leg. Option to extend your leg here. Foot is flexed. And another option to take your right ankle to your left knee. And you can press your right hand, use your right hand to press your right knee down. Option to also lift your left leg up. Have your hands around your left leg and keep your right hand pressing down gently on your right knee. Take your sets of inhales here and exhales. You can breathe in any tension you feel, and on your exhale, release it. Inhale any tension. Release. And on your next inhale, I want you to drop your left leg and drop your right leg. We're going to do the opposite side. Now we're going to lift on your inhale. The next inhale here, we're going to lift our left leg. Exhale. Inhale, option to extend your leg, flex forward. Your foot is flexed. Exhale. Inhale, option to also put your left ankle on your right knee and press your left leg down with your left hand. Exhale. Inhale, option to lift your right leg up, keeping your left hand pressing on your left knee. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Any rigidity that is in your body, exhale and release it. On your next inhale, I want you to bring your left leg down and your right leg down. Masters, I want you to lie down, extending your feet fully on the ground. You should be flat back, flat legs, palms facing forward if it feels good to you. In just this beginning practice, you've done so much work to start to open your sacral chakra and begin releasing the tension that lives in your body from all the work you do without support. I want you to continue on your own with your own inhales and exhales. And I'm going to read you a little message. The sacral chakra is connected to water. When the sacral chakra is out of balance, we tend to repeat the same relational problems. Our sacral chakra is connected, our expression of sexuality, relationships, and creativity. This assists with your ability to trust and allowing feeling to flow through with ease. When you feel stuck and rigid or disconnected from your feelings, it is a good time to return back to this practice. It can help us to be prepared for all of life's challenges and all the many emotions that come with it. When you are ready, I want you to gently open your eyes and feel the connection to your deepest truth. I hope this practice has been helpful for you. I hope this practice has been restorative for you. If it feels good, you can stay in this practice more. You can do this longer. You can repeat the video. Again, my name is Fatima. If you're interested in more mind-body yoga practices for high achievers, check out the playlist. It will help you to restore peace, ease, and purpose. Until next time.